Step, Valder here, your Fun Stampers Journey Coach, and I'm excited to bring to you another 10-minute or less card. This card is very pretty, but it just takes so little time to do, and you're just going to be able to whip them off using some of our amazing paper. You've seen me use this a lot. It's called the Good Life Prints. I made these little purses, these little clutches, and I have a video on those. They're just so pretty, but you could make up a bunch of these cards and put them into this matching little clutch, and then you have a great gift to give. All right, this one is also from those Good Life Prints. They're just such a beautiful set of cardstock. All right, so let me just show you what we're going to use. We're going to use some of our new colors, and like I said, it's a very fast card. So your card base is 11 by 4 1/4, and it is scored at 5 1/2. It's our whipped cream cardstock. I have a piece of our raspberry berry, and I ran it through our embossing folder. It's the Inspire embossing folder, and you can see that it's got some beautiful, beautiful script on there. It's called Inspire, and it's just a beautiful piece, and we're going to use that as our first layer. And then I have some of our beautiful rustic rose cardstock that matches our coordinating papers very nicely, and it also matches our new satin ribbon. This is the stamp set that I'm using. It's called Cottage Bouquet. It's got 11 stamps in there. It's absolutely beautiful. It has a lot of gorgeous sayings, and it also has the dies to go along with it. So a set of 7 dies and a set of 11 stamps. You couldn't get any better than that. It's absolutely gorgeous. And let's get started. So our inspired background, we're going to take and use some of our Easy Glide here, and we're going to just add it to our card base. All right, this is the raspberry berry cardstock. It's been in our collection for a while. And then this is the rustic rose. This is one of our new colors. All right, the measurements for this will be on my blog, so all of the different layerings I'll put on there for you. All right, and then here's a piece of our designer paper right here. So pretty. You just can't go wrong with this. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to stamp my piece. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take our rustic rose ink, and I'm going to take one of the flowers out of this stamp set right here. I'm going to do our rustic rose. I think I'll stamp it off and then stamp it on here. I think I'll do it this way. Okay, whoops, a little too light. All right, let's try it again. That's why we never, there we go. All right, so then what I'm going to do is take our black licorice ink and take our words from the same set, and I'm going to put them closer to the bottom than the top because I want to add my, there we go. And I told you this is less than 10 minutes. Absolutely great card if you're on the run. I'm just going to make a bow out of my ribbon here. Grab my Grand Pro shears and trim it down just a little bit. Such a pretty card. You know, the set is beautiful along with the paper. They just kind of go together, and I say it's a marriage made in heaven. All right, so I'm going to grab one of my, oh, let me see. I'm going to grab one of my journey dots here. And add that to the back end of my ribbon. Add that right there. So pretty. I'm going to add some of my Easy Glide. Alright, again, the measurements will be on my blog, so if you want to hop over there, that would be awesome. Alright, let me just see if I have some of our, no, I don't have any of the, oh yeah, I do, let's see. Alright, let's just take some of our little ones here. Tops off of those, add this to my little card right here. Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed my post today. It was fast, it was exciting, and it is an amazing project. Remember to go on over to my YouTube videos. You can find these. Now these will fit right inside here along with envelopes. And you now have the most adorable little packaging you could ever imagine. So adorable. Thank you for stopping by. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Thank you. I appreciate you all so much.